Yo Tech Leads, I'm Cobra, and I have the Sony Xperia 1 with that 4K display. This is what I've been waiting for. Now, I don't know if you guys remember back when 720 was a thing and they announced 1080p for phones, and there's a lot of people that said there is no need for a 1080p screen on a phone. Imagine that. Imagine that today, right? We went beyond that, Quad HD. We have many 1080p phones, and we also have some that's still at 720, right? But imagine if we stopped back there. But that's what technology is all about advancing. And I couldn't wait to get my hands on this 4K screen to see if it's really, truly something to behold. Now, I'm going to compare it to other phones, a 1080p phone and a Quad HD phone. All three are OLEDs. Now, I know the screen size and pixel density, all that matters, but I just want to look straight up and see if I can tell a difference, right? And I'm going to use YouTube as the source. I'm going to find 4K videos on YouTube to make a fair comparison. I'm not going with native 4K content, but we're on the same Wi-Fi. This is by no means scientific. So let's see how it looks. Now I have both screens at full brightness. The iPhone XS Max is at 1080p. And the Xperia 1 you can see here is at 2160p. And I'm gonna try to sync up the videos, see how it looks. Now looking at both, there is a clear difference. Let me go ahead and zoom this one in. There is a clear difference in the quality. It is very apparent that the Xperia is way more crisp, way more detailed. The contrast is on point. Look at those dark black scenes right here. Wow. Clearly this screen looks way more vibrant than the iPhone. Now, if I didn't have the Xperia up and I was just looking at the iPhone, then yeah, that's a great panel. I love the iPhone screen, but face to face, head to head, it blows it away. Well, I'm about 2 feet away right now, and from this distance, I can see it clearly. So this is about how far you might hold your phone away from your face. If I get in a little closer, it's even more apparent, right? So I know there's a big difference there. I'm gonna go ahead and pause these, and I'm gonna put it up against a Quad HD phone. Okay, now I have the Galaxy S9. It's a lot smaller of a screen, but it's Quad HD. And if you can watch this in 4K, it'd be great. So hopefully, you know, it translates well over YouTube, but we'll have to see. Looking at these two from the exact same distance, oh, I cannot see a difference. I cannot see a difference from this distance. That Quad HD on that Galaxy S9 is beautiful. The details look very similar. Even the contrast, the sharpness. Wow, right here, this is a great scene because I'm looking at the details of the gate, and no, I cannot see a difference between the two. Now, I'm gonna get in a little closer, and again, it is not an obvious difference. Now, I did put these both up to my face, and I did see slightly better picture in the Xperia, but you would not be able to tell the difference between these two. Definitely not. And let's go ahead and see again, 2160, and over here, 1440. Wow, so is a Quad HD screen good enough? Is it because of the smaller size? I don't know, but I'll tell you what, even if there is a difference, you cannot tell it, especially coming from YouTube. Now, I'm gonna put another video up just for comparison's sake. So here we are again, 1440, I'm going to switch that to 2160, and here we go. You know I had to put a Tech Lead video up. Now, This is my long-term review of the Asus ROG Phone 2. And looking at both of these again, I cannot tell a difference. The picture quality looks amazing. Oh, right there, a little bit better on that table, the details on the table. But wow, no. And actually the picture looks a little brighter too on the S9. Okay. So Quad HD, just to verify. Look at that, 2160. Right? So is it worth it for that 4K screen? If you watch a lot of YouTube like I do, it might not be worth. Oh, here's a good picture to see, good video. Oh yeah, a little bit, tiny bit more detail. Like, you wouldn't even notice it unless you stared it down the way I'm staring it down. So Quad HD might be the way to go there. Quad HD might be good enough, or until they improve the 4K quality on cell phones. For right now, I'm a little disappointed. I thought it was gonna blow me away. Yeah, it does look amazing, but put in next to Quad HD and all the Quad HD phones that's already out there, it's like, why? We don't need 4K, do we? Especially with the battery drain and all that. But I'm gonna dig much deeper into the Sony Xperia 1. It's not just about the screen, but that was one of the most intriguing parts for me. But y'all know us. We're gonna really put it to the test, see if it's worth it out here in the streets. All right, tech leads, remember, Cobra told you. Don't believe the hype.